Okay, so what we got here is an Esp32 Pico kit. We got a BMA 280, and we got three different LED from three different colors. And what we are going to do right now is that in processing we are making a TCP client, and in Arduino we are doing a TCP server. So Arduino is gonna be the server and processing is gonna be the client. So processing is gonna send some data to Arduino, and Arduino is gonna read it for activating the different sensors that we have right here. So for showing that, first thing we're going to do is that we have to display the serial port from Arduino. And if you see right here, we got new client. Let's clear this out right now. And if I press here in processing, then we got a new client. So the connection is done. There's gonna be a UI show right here. It's gonna be temperature, pressure, and altitude. There are the three different variables that this sensor uses. So what happens here is that when we press the button from temperature, we got temperature here in the screen and also here in the prompt. If we got pressure in the screen, if we got altitude, we got altitude in the screen. Also we can write things right here, and so there's red, green and yellow. So if we press R in here and then we send it, the red is gonna turn on. If we press G, then the green is gonna turn on, and if we press Y, then the yellow is gonna turn on. But also if we press O from off, then all the LEDs are gonna turn down. So basically what this is doing is that we can see the sensor temperature by Wi-Fi and control the different LEDs that are connected to the Arduino by Wi-Fi. So let's watch it again. R, go. R, we send it, green and yellow, and then all down, and that's it. So basically what is happening right here is that when we get the data from the servers, from the client, when we get the data from the client, what we are going to do is read this data and make them into this variable, into this char variable called data. And then what we are going to do is, if data equals to some character, then we are going to read temperature, read pressure, read altitude, or we are going to turn the LEDs high, 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 or all down. And here in processing, what we are doing is that we are creating a client in processing, and what we will do is that we will read this client information, and here we will use some graphic interface called interfacia. And basically what we are doing is that if one button is pressed, then we're gonna send to the server, we're gonna send a T or a P or an A, and that is what's happening. Those three buttons are these three: button 1, button 2, and button 3. And when I press them, I send T, P or A to Arduino, and then here in Arduino what happens is that this code is executed, send it back, and what I do with the with the information that is back here is that I display that information right here. My client put that available. If data is what I'm reading from Arduino, then I'm gonna show the data into a text here in processing, and that is what's happening basically. The things right here is that for creating the graphic interface with this library, so we are creating text fields and we are creating 3 different buttons. Then we are adding them to the GUI controller for allow the control of the how to say that, of the interface. So right here we got those 3, 1, 2, 3. We got the text field, and that is right here, and we got the label that is gonna be the text displayed when I press the different buttons. So that's it.